Truth right here. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Every time, guys. Every time I come here, I get one. Not bad. I think it's a largemouth too. Alright, I'm gonna go show her. Yep, largemouth. Spinnerbait. Every time.
Yeah.
I'm hoping for a smallmouth, I just can't get one. You know, the spinnerbait's stuck in the net. Alright guys, I just landed a nice smallmouth right before dark. I just turned the camera on, I was waiting to get a fish. Nice smallmouth on a crankbait in the almost complete darkness. Yeah, that's not bad. Guys, we've been going after work almost every night and toughing out the bitter cold because I caught a really nice smallmouth the other night. We're trying actually for walleye, and I caught a walleye the other night, but it was so dark I couldn't film. Complete dark. And this time we brought us a weapon, a flashlight. Okay, desperately need pliers, I think. Maybe not. No, I can get it without it. Okay, I need you to put the net back and then take the camera off my head. Showing up good?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, guys. I'm happy to get anything, like I said. Stay still, buddy. No, he ain't gonna.
Okay.
Alright, let's let her go. I thought it was a walleye though, unfortunately. Guys, very first throw on the glow-in-the-dark grub with a 3/4 ounce or bright orange jig head. Caught a walleye. Very first throw. Get me take the camera off my head. He's about 15. I told you guys today was going to be the day. Sure as heck it was. Glow in the dark 4-inch curly tail with a 3/4 ounce orange jig head. He's right at 15 inches. Too small to keep. They got to be 18 out of here, or I would keep it. I want one for a sandwich. Heck yeah, man. Worked. Nice. Just the wrong size, but it's a start.
I need a big one. Man, it's not blue.
Auger.
Sauger, yeah.
Oh, turn it on. Is it on? Is it recording?
It's on.
All right, guys, we got our first fish of the day. Nice little sauger. Hey,
Yeah.
not that bad. Man, look at that. It's so far down, I got to cut it.
Oh my, yeah.
He inhaled that thing. He's about
He
4.
swallow.
He's about 14, isn't he? Hey. Not even being in the canoe, guys, just fishing from the bank with shiners. I started having confidence when she got a bite earlier, and then we seen 6 fish jump. I told her there's sauger down here, sure enough.
Yeah.
Hey, we got something. Made it not a total loss.
Yeah.
Look how far down that hook is.
Yeah.
Guys, he swallowed that thing so much
You need to
that
cut
I
it.
can't get it. It's
You need to cut it. You cannot get
God,
the
I'm gonna have to redo
inside.
it. Yeah. God. Not a bad little sauger. Not horrible.
Yeah.
That means we can use our small minnows here too then. It's not horrible.
Put slow.
Unfortunately, it's got to
not-
be 18 inches.
Not true. Slow.
It's got to be 18
slow.
inches to keep.
Pull it slow.
Alright, we had to cut the line on that, guys. He gut hooked it. That's a beautiful sauger. He's right at 15 inches. They got to be 18 inches in this river, though.
Okay.
Really hard to catch an 18-inch sauger in Missouri.
Oh.
It's awesome, though. I'm going to go get a hook. Alright, guys, finally, after a whole hour, I caught a pickerel. I was just about to change the color, and what I figured out is these fish are way deeper than they were last time I was here. But I don't think changing the color would hurt from a natural to a more bright color. He's a little guy, about 15 inches. Pretty small, but it's a fish. Alright, got him on the Storm Largo shad. And barely hooked. Alright, it's a start. Whole hour to wait for that one fish. Heck yeah, man. Largemouth. Alright. Hey. That was definitely not expected today. As cold as it is, I am froze, man. My feet are completely numb. I cannot feel my feet whatsoever. Well, he's pale too from that water being dingy. On that suicide shad. Yeah, he's real bland. Different kind though. I don't know. Alright guys, I got a fairly decent largemouth. I could just tell he was fighting different. He was staying down. Wow. Got the black circle on his head too. That's a real colorful one.
Whoa.
Heck yeah, man. That's not bad. That's the biggest bass I've caught out of here. Yeah, it's got that black. That's the biggest bass we've caught out of here, isn't it? Maybe not.
That's a big one. When you cut
It's the fattest one I've seen anyway.
so,
Nice little largemouth, guys. It's got a black bump or a black circle on his head with a parasite sucking on it. That explains it. There's something sucking on his head. Some little clear whitish parasite of some kind. Careful. Not bad. He's a little bit over a pound. Put up a heck of a fight. Alright. Not bad. Best fish of the day so far anyway. Not bad. It's got eggs. Alright guys, Wilma's on one while we were moving. I was floating a good 3 mile an hour paddling, and she hammered one. That's the biggest one of the day, yeah. Definitely the biggest one of the day. might as well anchor then, I guess. Yeah, that's not a bad one. He's probably 18. Yeah, he's a good 18 incher anyway. 17, 18. Not a bad one. Definitely hold him up. Let me just get this thing to stop zooming. Oh man. That is not a bad one.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Oh man. Try it again. I didn't get a good picture yet. Yeah, he's 18 or 19.
Yeah.
While we was moving. Weird how that works. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. See if I can get one.
Nice one.
There we go. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, and he's got me in this tree big time. Got him. Oh, he's going right for it again. I think I got me a largemouth. Boy, it's a nice one too. Yep. Yes, it is a largemouth. Oh my. Not a bad one either. I gotta get down to get him though. Unfortunately, I'm 5 feet up in the air here. What a nice bass. Not the kind I'm after, but I'll definitely take it. Oh, I gotta keep tension on him. He's barely hooked, man. I mean, he's gonna fall off. That's how barely hooked he is. Oh, I got it. Alright guys, first blood. Even though it's not the kind I'm after, I will definitely take a bass like that. He's pretty decent, about 13. Yes, sir. Boy, he could have got off so easy. That hook just came out like nothing. Definitely a decent bass. Not bad at all. Minnow and bobber. Oh yeah, another bass, largemouth. No crappie yet, but hey, I'm catching them. That's all that matters. Nice spot. Nope, largemouth. No, it is a spot. Nice one too. Wow. Yes, really nice one. Oh yeah. Not bad, guys. Yeah, that is a largemouth. It's just small. It kind of looks like a spot at first, but that is a largemouth. Alright, second fish of the day. Another largemouth. That's two largemouth. A little smaller than the last guy. He's only about 12 inches. The other guy was about 13 or 14. That's two fish. Man, it's making it hard. 12. Boy, they're slow today, guys. This is only our second fish in an hour and a half. But he's a decent one this time. Oh, he's about to come off. Oh, man. No, 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 no. Oh, yeah, he's a full 12. Right next to the tree. Look at that. Oh, you got hung? Man, I need you to film me. That is a nice crappie, guys. He might go 13. He's definitely, that's a female too.
I gotta get my thing.
Starting to have eggs, but not quite. He's getting a belly on her. That is a nice crappie, guys. Don't zoom, just hold it close instead of zooming. Man, here. That's a nice crappie, guys. Beautiful pre-spawn female, about 12 inch. Oh yeah, and that's what we came for. It's a slow day. It's 15-mile-an-hour winds the entire time. It don't ever let up.
That's enough.
Making it tough.
Okay. No, I need a hook and a weight. And I
Nice fish, guys. All right, Virgil's on his second chance at a big fish here, guys. Let me know if you need the net. You got something big, man. It's a pole bender, guys, whatever he's got. I'm gonna say it's a pickerel. Holy cow, man! Oh my God! Oh my God, what do you got? Let me get the net, man.
Dude, that's a largemouth.
Is it?
That's a largemouth.
Bring him back, or get him out of the lip. Oh my God, Virgil, dude! Oh my God, that thing's got to be 3.5, 4 pounds. I wouldn't have thought in here, man. In this cold river, I guess you just never know. That is a monster, man. I'm gonna get us out of this current so we don't get sucked down, and I'll get a good picture of it. Man, you've had 2 trophy fish today. We got to see the one, guys, the pickerel, but never got to touch it. But man, that is a hoss. You're gonna have to force yourself to turn around for him for this. I'm gonna make sure I get a good photo of you zoomed in. And whew, guys, that is a nice Ozark Stream largemouth. I did not. I thought it was a pickerel, but then when he went under the canoe, I knew it wasn't, because the pickerel would have jumped. That's your biggest one in a while, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
I'm making sure this don't turn out bad. Move your 2 fingers down somehow. Yeah, there you, man, that is a nice largemouth, Virgil. He's 3.5, easily. We can weigh it, I got my
I was
scale.
gonna say I got mine too.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Guys, we're gonna take a break on land. We want to weigh this fish, and he needs some pliers. Here you go. That is a nice freaking largemouth for here.
I did.
Here you go. They're kind of stiff though, but once you get working on, I need to oil them or something. I got the scale ready when we get done. I want to see how accurate I am. I'm saying 3.5. I'm going to say 3.8 or 3.5. My goodness. Told you this was a good hole. There's a beer can. Someone's been here lately. That beer don't look like it ever was actually open though. Look. No. The top's never been open.
Somebody lost
You want to get a little buzz? That's a. It's a shame we can't keep keep them.
Get it out. Oh my God, man!
Oh, I see what you mean. You're lucky you got him like that.
Like coming out of
Oh
his jaw.
my God! I don't know. It's gonna be hard not to rip.
I mean, dude, if you have to, you can. I was trying as hard as I can, but like, it's like in his jaw, like twisted or something.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
It won't go down and out.
Almost got it. There we go. Guys, oh, he's 4 pounds.
Oh, dude, his, that's not just a true largemouth, is it?
Yep. That's a lot of this ain't up this far. There we go. 310. 3 pounds 10 out. 313. 313. So is that 3.13 or is that 3 pounds 13 ounces?
I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. You might have to look at your
way it-
scale more.
Yeah. Either way, it's a full 3.
Hell,
That's
yeah.
like a pond bass, farm pond bass right there, man.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing I've caught out of the river.
Yeah. They don't get much bigger than that in a river, really, around here. Do your fingers again. Yeah, that way you see. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get his whole body, but there we go. Man, that's a nice fish. No matter what. Gosh. Guys, we've hooked in the only 2 fish in our hour of fishing, but they've both been giants, man. That pickerel was probably 3 or 4 pounds too. Gosh, that's a big old bass, man. That's beautiful. He's like, what the hell just happened to me? Now guys, this is what I came after. I got him on an orange dreamsicle of all things. It is 20-mile-an-hour winds. It is making it so difficult that I can't even describe it. That is a beautiful black crappie. Wow. Now if I can just get a few more of these and figure them out, that is nice. If this wind would just slow down. He's right at 8 inches, getting real dark black. I think it's a male yet. Pretty sure it's getting black cheeks anyway. Beautiful black crappie.